This video demonstrates the crossover stair plugin in Tekla structures, developed by Gulf Technologies. Search for PGT crossover stair in the Applications and Components dialog in Tekla structures and single-click on it. The plugin will then prompt the user for 2-point input, the first point being the midpoint of the landing for the crossover stair, and the second point indicating the direction of the stair. By selecting the corresponding points in the model, the stair is generated. Double-clicking on the stair opens the user interface (UI), allowing adjustments to dimensions to achieve the desired stair component. This tool is designed to reduce the time required for modeling operations and minimize human errors in modeling. The development of this plugin is currently ongoing. For all your Tekla automation needs, including models, reports, and drawings, please reach out to Gulf Technologies. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.